Hi everyone, my name is Alex. Today I'm going to be trying the Bubble Cosmic Rain Hydrating Face Mist. This product retails for $15. Really excited to see what the Cosmic line from Bubble has translated into a face mist. I feel like it is common for brands to do this. Bubble is one of these brands that a lot of their products work for me, and I'm super excited to see how this face mist performs from them. This product is vegan, cruelty-free, fragrance-free, alcohol-free, and comes in recyclable packaging. They utilize Aqua and Glycerin, plant-based ceramides, Ectoin, and hyaluronic acid in this formula. It seems to be loaded down with hard-hitting ingredients. They claim for this to be non-comedogenic. I don't ever pay attention to that because that marketing is just so vague and not foolproof, but I will be curious to see if it works for my acne. That's the big thing I'll be looking for. Also want to see how this product feels, what finish it leaves. As for anything else, I'll be continuing to do check-ins, so I will see you all in the next check-in. I'm here to give you all a quick check-in, also my first impression with this product. I cannot wait to see how this face mist performs. I've seen a lot of people talking about it. I think it was at Ulta Beauty World whenever they had it a few months ago. This has been a well-hyped product. Their Cosmic Silk Toner is one of my favorites, and one thing I love that they did was added Ectoin to this formula. See how the atomizer feels? I am spraying my wall. That is not ideal. You can see there it does give a light dewy glow. I'm gonna go this way next time. I am gonna just go in with this product. Not anything too crazy. The glow is definitely there. Feels pretty heavy on the face. It is a more dewy face mist, and the finish is pretty hydrating, pretty heavy. Can't wait to see how this feels when it dries down and what benefits I notice with it in terms of soothing. I'm also curious if it will break me out. Cosmic Silk Collection's been iffy from what I've seen with people's acne-prone skin, so just be mindful of that. I was able to use their Cosmic Silk Toner, but this seems to be a little bit more of a lightweight approach, and I really just love that they added Ectoin to this. Ectoin in face mist are some of my favorite products, and so I have high hopes for this. I will continue to use it, and then I'll check in again. I'm back to give you all my final thoughts on this product. I really enjoy this hydrating mist, and I feel like it was a semi-lightweight way to hydrate the skin, especially in the summer. Provide some soothing benefits, provide some hydrating benefits, and provide a nice dewy, glowy look in a very subtle way that wasn't suffocating for the skin. This is a wonderful face mist. I feel like they include a lot of ingredients that I haven't seen in many other face mists, but when it comes to the finish, it's very comparable to some of my favorites. It definitely is purely designed to hydrate the skin and give a dewy, radiant look to the face. I feel like that is a perfect, simple way to encapsulate this formula. It didn't cause any acne, and I didn't see anything negative with it. At the moment, I haven't used it as long as, say, the COSRX Hydrating Face Mist, the Naturium Hydrating Face Mist. I will say the value and how much you get of this product is really worth it and is a good value for a hydrating face mist. Face mists are kind of splurge products for me, and that's why I would pay something so cheap as this to get a high level of hydration and a good glowy finish that wasn't suffocating for the face. That's what I would ultimately recommend this product for. Has great affordability, has great ingredients, and a great soothing complex combined with the hydrating ingredients like Aquaxyl and Ectoin in this formula. I was noticing some benefits with my redness as well. Ectoin is a wonderful soothing ingredient, and this product was amazing at doing that. Also didn't cause any irritation, anything negative with my skin, and I feel like this is a pretty one-for-one, little bit lightweight alternative to their Cosmic Silk. I honestly feel like it complements it perfectly and creates a blend of products that work really well together. Cosmic Silk is a little bit more lightweight, while this face mist is also a little bit more lightweight, but has some different hydrating ingredients that I feel like are really beneficial for the skin. So that's why I would recommend it. It has a great value, great feel, and I loved how it was treating my skin. So for that reason, I would 100% recommend trying it. But anyway, thank you all so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it and you want to see more like this, make sure you subscribe, so I post new videos every week. I will see you all in the next review.